Top 5 Best Self-Watering Planter. Number 5. Dexceder 18x17 Self-Watering Planter. The Dexceder 18x17 self-watering planter is renowned for its simplicity and effectiveness in plant care. Equipped with a self-watering mechanism, it provides a consistent water supply to plants, promoting optimal growth with minimal effort. The planter's compact size makes it suitable for smaller plants or decorative arrangements, making it a versatile choice for home gardens or office spaces. Its durable construction ensures longevity, offering a reliable solution for hassle-free gardening experiences. Calming. And number 4. Glowpear Self-Watering Urban Garden Planter. The Glowpear Self-Watering Urban Garden Planter offers a stylish and innovative solution for urban gardening. Its self-watering feature ensures plants receive adequate hydration without constant monitoring, making it ideal for busy individuals. The planter's modular design allows for easy expansion, accommodating different plant varieties and garden layouts. With its contemporary aesthetic and durable construction, it seamlessly integrates into modern living spaces, enhancing both indoor and outdoor environments. Calming. And number 3. Keter Urban Bloomer 12.7 Gallon Raised Garden Bed. The Keter Urban Bloomer 12.7 Gallon Raised Garden Bed caters to urban gardeners seeking convenience and versatility. Its integrated watering system efficiently delivers moisture to plants, promoting healthy growth while reducing water wastage. The compact size makes it suitable for balconies, patios, or small yards, maximizing available space for gardening. Constructed from weather-resistant resin, this planter withstands the elements, providing a durable solution for urban gardening enthusiasts. Calming. And number 2. Veradek Block Series Span Plastic Planter. The Veradek Block Series Span Plastic Planter combines sleek design with functionality. Its self-watering system features a water reservoir that helps plants thrive by supplying moisture as needed. The planter's modern aesthetic adds a touch of style to any indoor or outdoor space, making it a popular choice among contemporary gardeners. Made from durable plastic, it withstands various weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance. Calming. And number 1. Vego Garden Raised Garden Bed Kits. Vego Garden Raised Garden Bed Kits stand out for their practicality and efficiency in keeping plants hydrated. These self-watering planters come with a reservoir system that ensures consistent moisture levels, reducing the need for frequent watering. The raised design not only provides better drainage but also makes gardening more accessible for those with limited mobility. Additionally, the kits are customizable, allowing users to create their ideal gardening setup according to space and plant requirements.